Hello everyone, welcome to
Welcome
Annual Sports
everyone
Week, and
once more.
there is a kabaddi
And we
match
have the
lined
next
up
match
for
of
all of
Kabaddi
us.
between Yellow House and Blue House, category C, class 6, 7 and 8. Now we are going to have the next match, and it will be first round will be of 10 minutes. After that there will be 5 raids, that means almost 5 minutes. So players are requested to use their time properly. So here we begin the first raid by Blue House. The player Madhuja has already entered into the camp of Yellow House, and that is not proper, I think, and he's back into his team. 3 point for Blue House. Next we have the player from Yellow House entering into the side of the Blue House, and he is playing quite well. There is an attempt, but however he might be going back, and he is waiting. He was waiting that more players should touch him, and then he touched the line. So very clever player from Yellow House. 5 points, very good, very good. Pritham has played very well, and we also need cleverness in this game. So next we have another player from the Blue House, and he has entered into the camp of Yellow House, and there is a grip by Rajdeep Dekha and other players, and he is pulled back. Very aggressive players. I believe you will not hurt each other. Rajdeep Dekha entering into the side of Blue House. His goal is to, yes, he has attempted, but it's not approved. Okay, so next we have, I think it's Madhuja or Mosam. So Madhuja has entered into the side of Yellow House, and his goal is also to make at least 2-3 out, but is trying quite well. Yes, there's an attempt here, there's an attempt, and that's excellent. 4 points. Excellent game we are watching here, Kabaddi. And next we have another player who was very good in the last raid, and he has touched one, and yes, he goes back. That's great. So now we have Mosam back into the raid of towards the Yellow House, and he has attempted, but there is a chance. There is no chance now. There was a chance of coming back, but now the chance is lost. And again we have Rajdeep entering the Blue House side. Only 2 players are left, but you can never say. Okay, we have only 1 player left. Can he do it? It's do or die situation for the Blue House. Do or die situation, and Yellow House players are quite ready to grab him, and they will try, and they have already tried, but well, as I was saying, lack of teamwork is one of the main factors here. So we have the revival of some players here. 2 players are revived, and we have Pritham again going back, but he is waiting, and he is waiting for him to touch, but now he is okay. Great. So now we have Ankur entering into the side of Yellow House. On attempt, and that's out. Rajdeep Deka is out. Excellent. Ankur has made the captain out. Excellent. And the revival of Madhuja. Here we have again Pritam Kashyap back. And he has tried. No, that will not be possible here to catch him back. The audience is filled with laughter, looking at the situation. And again we have Madhuja back into the camp of Yellow House. And there is an attempt. There is. And the players are, yes, Priyanuj. Nice attempt by Priyanuj.
So 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
Is it 1 minute left? Okay, so we have. Okay, that's great. This time he's not able to come back. Yes, excellent game play by the Blue House players. Madhuja and Mosam, both the brothers are on the field. And maybe this Madhuja. And he has. Okay, great. Well, again he goes back. Oh my God, that's the back. Oh my God, that is it. I think they are sitting on him. Please remove him. Please remove him.
Out.
That's out. Great.
Point.
So that was a very excellent game here. Now we are going to declare the point tally. Students are requested not to gather here. All of you go back. Now we declare the results. Blue House, first round results. 14. Blue House 14. Yellow House 13. 1 point difference. Yellow House 13. Now we see the exchange of the sides. The players are going to the opposite side. And Yellow House will be on the right side now, and the Blue House will be on the left side. Rajdeep Deka is here asking for a query.
D category.
No.
Boys.
D category boys, please be ready. D category boys. Red versus green. The first match will be red versus green.
And the list you will submit to me.
Please submit the list immediately to Devashree ma'am.
Very blue.
First match of category D will be between Green House and Red House.
Yes.
Ma'am, please go. Keep the this one here, and you go that side a little bit because your noise is coming here. Yes. Anjima miss? Here, you keep it here. Yeah. Thank you so much. Next we have the second round of the match that is going on. The captains are being instructed by Kashyap sir, and here we begin the second round of the match. The first raid will be from the Blue House, and Madhuja has entered the Yellow House camp, and there is great cheering from the crowd, and there is the first attempt, and he will be not able to come back. Please see that you are not injured during the games. Next raid will be from the Yellow House, and the Yellow House player has entered the side of the Blue House. Points are very near, 13 and 14. So that is why That's very nice move. They have come back. So here we see the blue house player entering the camp of the yellow house and trying to touch. And there is an attempt here, but whether he'll be able to go back or not. No. This time also beautifully taken back by all the players. That is called teamwork. And we see the next the next raid by Rajdeep Dekha, captain, and that's a touch. The magic touch. So there is some discussion among the players. Mosam and Madhuja both are out of the camp now. There is also some discussion among the players of the yellow house. And Dibjoti sir. Yellow house 3 points. Yellow house 3 points. Well, Nawab Bania has been called into the team. Well, he is a well-known player, kabaddi player. Let's see what he can do. Well, we have Nawab entering into the camp of Yellow House. Will he able to change the points tally? Here he goes. And there is an attempt, but that's what we are expecting. That's what we are expecting. Nawab Bania has done his work. And the next raid will be by Pritam Kashyap. Well, he is also a very good player. And he has touched Nawab, but or not, we are not sure. Well, Nawab is out. 1 point.
Madhuja.
Next we have Manujo entering into the camp of the Yellow House. Well, that's the game. Very nice, excellent. Well, he alleges one. He has touched. Yes. Piyush is out. Next we have Rajdeep Dekha, and he also is trying his best. And there is some teamwork. No teamwork. That's the reason Rajdeep is back, and he has made one player out of the camp.
Sir, 1-1. Sir. Kashyap sir. 1-1.
Well, we have Madhuja back into the team. And his attempt, yes. Excellent. The captain is out. Rajdeep Dekha is out now for the time being. And we have Pritam Kashyap back. Pritam Kashyap attempts, but the people are not so much ready. And they are playing safe. And he goes back.
1.
Here we have a small... Sir, he is here. Wait for a moment, please. I hope all of you are enjoying the match.
23.
Yellow House 23.
And Blue House 19.
Blue House 19. So that's the end. And congratulations to Yellow House. Playing excellent. And even the Blue House also played quite well. Thank you so much. Nawab was expected, but however, he was not brought into the game. And there is some celebration from the Yellow House team. Next we have category D.